How to export Canva to PowerPoint with animations. So if you want to export Canva to PowerPoint with animations, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your browser. On your browser, you can go with your Canva, search for Canva, log into your account, and get ready with your presentation. Once you have your PowerPoint or your PPT, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with share, which is on the top right, and you'll be able to download that. You can click on download, and once you download that video, then it will download, but make sure that you've selected PPTX. But even after selecting PPTX while downloading, it won't download the video or it won't download with the animations, right? So if you want to download your PowerPoint with animations, you can go with share, which is on the top right. And from the share, you need to go with download. And here you need to go with drop down and select MP4. So click on MP4 and then you need to download that on MP4. After downloading your presentation with MP4, and you can open up your PowerPoint application. After that, go with blank presentation. And here you need to go with insert, which is on the upper left. And from the insert, you need to go with video and then select this device and select the video that you've just downloaded from Canva. Go with insert. Once you've inserted, make sure to adjust it, adjust the columns. And once you've adjusted, you can just simply go with the animations, which is on the upper left. Once you click on animations, you just need simply go with the upper right, which has that start section. And here you need to go with after previous. But after that, if you have this video kind of interface and if you want to remove this from your presentation, then you just need simply select your video. After that, go with video format. And under that, if you have an outline section, you just need simply go with your outline. And from the outline, you need to go with no borders or no outline. And after that, your video mark will be removed. So that's how you can export your Canva to PowerPoint with animations. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.